Here's a code to our robot. It's our car that has a pre-collision assist. So here is just to activate everything. And the define function is basically combining all these three commands into one set output. And the same with this get data too. It'll combine these two into one get data. So set output is telling which pin to turn on and off. So activate the motor or activate what LEDs that are needed.
Those are the pin locations where you plug in wires that send the signal to or receive the signal from different parts. So set output says for this to come on when that command is put into the code. And get data is the command for the ultrasonic sensor to send the information it's getting.
And in the while true, this is a while loop that will keep continually going and repeating itself. So instead of typing this entire command every single time we want to get an output or get data, we just put it as X, so we don't have to type the entire thing. And if X is less than or equal to 20 centimeters, then it'll print out red on the computer and set output these three commands. Set output subtype DO3. It'll turn it on and it'll turn off all the other pins. And since it's red, it'll also turn off the motor and turn on the buzzer. Now, if 20 is less than X and X is less than or equal to 35 centimeters, then it'll print yellow on the computer and turn on the buzzer, basically. But the motor will keep going. Now, the last loop is if X is greater than 35 centimeters, then it'll print green and it'll turn on the green LED, the motor, and turn off every other LED. And if none of this works, to let us know that none of it worked, the computer says something broke with using this code. So as you can see on the computer, it's saying green. And that's the code saying print green. I don't know if you guys can see it up here. Print green if X is greater than 35. Now, if we move on to the car, you can see that the motor is moving. It's because this distance in front of it is greater than 35. And we know it's green because the green LED is on. Now if you move, for example, a car closer, you can see that the buzzer is ringing and that the motor is still running. That means something is close. And now if something gets too close, the buzzer keeps ringing and the red LED turns on. And if you see, the motor's off now.
Okay, so that had like a servo motor that was able to rotate. Then on here they put these like fins, this that has the motor